Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to MEXC. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. Once you have logged into your Bybit account, then you need to click on Assets at the bottom right corner, and from here you need to click on this funding. After that, click on withdraw, and from here uncheck hard zero balances, and in the search bar search for USDT here and simply select it. Now you have to fill all these information here. Now firstly you need to select a network here. Here you can see all these network out there. Now select a network that supports minimum fees. So in this video I'm going to show you USDT on Aptos chain because it supports zero fees. So simply click on Aptos. After that, you need to minimize your Bybit application and open your MEXC exchange. After logging in, then you need to click on deposit at the top right corner, and from here click on on-chain deposit. Now in the search bar, search for USDT here and select USDT Tether. And now you have to choose network. So click on Aptos. Always make sure to select same network on the both side or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now copy this address and minimize it and open your Bybit application again. And now in the address bar, paste your MEXC Aptos chain address here. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. And after all these information, click on withdraw. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds into your MEXC exchange. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to MEXC exchange. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.